Hello everyone, my name is Albert Giulianto, and I'm excited to take you through this presentation on Temple Labs, a powerful AI-driven platform designed to enhance coding and design workflows. Let's dive in and explore how Temple Labs can revolutionize the way we build and deploy projects. Let's start with the introduction. What is Temple Labs? Temple Labs is an AI-powered platform built to streamline coding and design processes. With seamless GitHub integration, a built-in terminal, and AI-assisted features. It is accessible for both beginners and experienced developers. Whether you're looking to speed up your workflow or collaborate more efficiently, Temple Labs has you covered. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Albert Giulianto, and I am the team leader for this project. I'll be guiding you through this presentation along with my team members, Arshin Kaur, Bani, Laksha Lalia, and Rahul Sehrawat. Together, we've explored Temple Labs in depth, and we're excited to share its key functionalities, strengths, and real-world applications with you. Our goal in this presentation is to explore the functionalities and strengths of Temple Labs, its limitations and areas where it can improve, and also the real-world applications and how it fits into different workflows.
Hello everyone, I am Arsheen and in this slide we're going to talk about the overview of the tool. In this section we'll explore the core functionalities and the primary purpose of our tool, that is Tempo Labs. First, the tool allows the user to build web and software applications efficiently, accelerating the development process. Next, it helps automate repetitive coding tasks, saving time and reducing the chance of errors. It also enhances team collaboration by supporting live editing features, which is perfect for remote or distributed teams. Finally, the tool can generate high quality UI designs from simple text prompts, making it easy to bring ideas to life without manual coding. Now, let's talk about who can benefit from this tool and what level of experience is needed. For beginners, no prior coding knowledge is required. The AI assists in generating structured code, making it easy to get started. Intermediate users can leverage automated assistance to enhance their workflow and speed up the development tasks, while the professional developers will find the tool valuable for rapid prototyping, efficient debugging, and accelerating their overall development cycle. This slide outlines the pricing model of Tempo Labs AI and what's included in each plan. First of all, a free plan with 30 prompts per month is offered with 5 maximum prompts per day. That is perfect for basic usage. Secondly, the Pro plan is at $30 that provides 150 prompts and access to AI features. Scale at $50 includes 250 prompts and suits professionals using the tool regularly. Our ultimate plan is at $100 that gives 555 prompts ideal for daily users. For power users, power and unlimited plans that are available, they are priced at $350 and $500 respectively, offering extensive or unlimited access. There is also a one-time bonus prompt pack that is available to paid users, providing 250 extra prompts with no expiration. Let's now talk about the key features with a demonstration. So the first key feature that we're going to talk about is AI-powered code generation. The AI automatically generates and refines code in real time, offering smart suggestions, auto-completion, and error detection. The second one is GitHub integration. Our tool integrates seamlessly with GitHub, supporting collaborative editing, version control, and team synchronization. The next one is feature canvas and Git branching. We can visualize our project structure and manage isolated branches for each feature, improving planning and deployment. The last one is real-time data processing and analytics. The tool handles live data streams and provides dashboards, trend analysis, and AI-powered insights to guide our development. This slide shows a live demonstration of our website that is called Easy Buy. This one is designed by our team using the Tempo Labs AI. We can see the live demonstration and we can see the image carousel that has been created.
So in this slide, I'll talk about how a typical workflow looks like in TempoLab. First, you start by giving a simple prompt to the tool. For example, you can ask it to build a login page. Then, the AI instantly generates the code and you can click on the Canva to redefine its some parts. For example, you can add some images or some animations to make your project look more attractive. The AI updates the project dynamically based on your feedback, and it constantly learns and improves by tracking how you interact with it. It's very easy to use as you don't need any technical background for it. You just need an idea to implement the changes. TempoLab stands out for three main reasons. First, it offers a user-friendly experience. Even beginners with no coding background can use it effectively. Second, its seamless GitHub integrations enables smooth version control and better collaboration. And third, its powerful reasoning mode gives deep insight into the code structure, helping developer to write better, more effective code. TempoLab truly empowers users to develop smarter, faster, and together. Thanks for watching.
There are three major weaknesses when working with Tempo Labs. That is limited deployment and execution capabilities, code privacy concerns, and limited offline or local environment support. So when we talk about weakness, that is limited deployment and execution capabilities, Tempo Lab although excels in AI powered prompting and collaboration, but it does not fully develop and deploy a workflow live application hosting. Developers still have to switch to other platforms, let's say to Replit, for actual testing, execution, or deployment, breaking the flow. Then the second one comes to the code privacy concerns. That is a weakness because it's a cloud-based application which uses code base to make suggestions. It might worry about data privacy or data sharing because if you're working in a business or having a proprietary situation, it's really bad for you because it might share your data. That comes to the third one, limited offline or local environment support. It's a weakness as it is built on cloud first experience with no official local editor or offline workflow support. Tempo Lab is not ideal for developers who prefer or require tool local deployment local development environments, that is your for speed, security or air gap systems. We will now compare the tools that are AI generating tools out there. The first one, comparison between all the tools that we have for us, we will take the criteria of code completion. So the tools that we are going to be comparing are Tempo Labs, Bolt, Replit, Cursor, Vercel, Lovable, Windsurf, and Phoenix. So when coming back to code completion, Tempo Labs, Replit, Cursor, and Windsurf are the preferable ones, while Bolt also do code completion, but it is having some limitations to it. Coming to prompt-based coding, all of these apps are good for that except Vercel and Phoenix. Same good. Then we coming to the repo understanding. Tempo Labs, Replit, Cursor, and Windsurf are the most preferable choices, as these are good in a repo understanding, while others don't. And for deployment, we have mainly just Replit and Vercel. Bolt also does some deployment, but it has some limitations again to it. And coming to collaborations, almost all the apps have it except Vercel and Phoenix, while Lovable, Windsurf have some limitations to it. From all these comparisons, we can see actually only Replit is the one that follows all the guidelines, while Tempo Labs have only one drawback, that is deployment. We will now discuss the best use cases that are optimal project types and scenarios for AI programming. The first one that comes for AI programming is pair programming with code prompts, which it excels at. It is rapidly producing and enhancing code snippets using natural language, such as you can write a secure coding in API. You can write, I want a website in this specific language. The developers that can use this now can accelerate in development or dealing with new code bases or languages. The second one we will say is a code review or refactoring assistant. So understanding existing code and suggesting AI powered enhancement or specifications. So teams can use AI insights for codes that they might not go through again and again, but they can easily use an AI to get an idea about it and get suggestions about it quickly than what a human person might take time to review a code for. Third thing we can talk about is collaborating features development. So we can share content with AI code ideas across team members, which will enable rapid iterations and collective efficiency. Engineering teams working on several independent features require intelligent prodding aligned with common goal. So it helps in creating a common goal for all the engineering teams and can make the workflow faster. AI powered debugging is also one of the features that it because it helps in developers to identify and fix errors more efficiently.
Hi everyone, I'm Bani, and I'm here to walk you through how Temple Apps can transform the way developers work with code and collaborate. So let's start with who benefits the most from Temple Apps. Starting from software engineers at all the levels, from junior to senior, they often manage large code bases and need to collaborate smoothly. Tempo helps speed up development, supports pull request reviews, and gives smart suggestions based on the project structure. Then we have engineering teams and product squads where coordination is crucial. Tempos share AI prompts and contextual awareness, reduce communication friction, and keeps the whole team in sync. Then technical leads and engineering managers can also benefit. And startup developers love Tempo because it helps them move fast with limited resources by cutting down boilerplate coding and speeding up the idea to implementation process. Finally, the AI curious developers, those just starting to explore AI, can easily bring AI into their everyday workflow without having to build on their own models. Moving on to the real world use cases, Temple App shines in practical scenarios like automating UI component generation for web design agencies. It also supports rapid prototyping for startups and helps in mobile app development, saving hours of manual effort with intelligent suggestions. So, what's next? Here's how to get started. You can visit the official Temple Labs website, sign up for free, and dive into tutorials and forums to see how others are using it effectively. Some great resources include the official documentation, developer communities, and GitHub repositories for real examples. In case anyone needs help, there's a contact support link as well. To wrap it up, Temple Apps is an AI-powered tool made for developers and designers. It offers powerful features like live collaboration, GitHub integration, and intelligent AI reasoning. It's a great fit for freelancers, teams, or startups looking to boost productivity and code quality. With its competitive pricing and standout features, Temple Apps is changing the way we code. Thank you.
As a final conclusion for the PPT, we would like to say that Tempo Labs have revolutionized the software development process by combining AI assistant with real-time collaborations. And using the natural language as a baseline, they have also created an efficiency in the process. And it is user friendly, it has intuitive UI and GitHub integration. It is ideal for enhancing productivity and streamlined development cycles. So Tempo Labs is a much preferable tool right now if you want to try for baseline coding or the new developers. It might not help them deployment, but it is still very efficient AI tool.